Hey guys, Sarah here. The whole crew's here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Allure beauty box for April 2019. Let me tell you a little bit about this box. It is $15 a month. You get full and travel size products valued between $50 to $90, and then new members also get a free gift valued at $15 or more. I also want to mention that I do have a giveaway going on right now on my channel. It goes through April 30th, so that's coming up very quickly. So if you want to get in on that, I will put a little card up there as well as link in the description box right down there. So make sure you go check that out if you want to win some free makeup. This is by far one of my favorite boxes. You get really luxury things in here most of the time, so I'm always really excited to open this up. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into it. As always, if I don't know something is cruelty free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box down below, as well as break down the value of the box to see if it is a good value or not. Alright, let's see what we have this month. Okay, so when you open it up, it looks just like this. It has this little pamphlet in here that has more information about everything that we'll be getting in the bag. It's a bag in a box. Okay, so we also have this little card that if you scratch this little gold portion, it'll give you a hint for what's in next month's box. I'm not going to scratch it. I like to be surprised. And then we just have our bag. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out of the bag is a brush from Luxie. This is the 231 Small Tapered Blending Brush. I do have so many Luxie brushes at this point. They are like in every beauty box. But I do enjoy them, so not mad to get this. According to the book, this is valued at $12. So, excited to have that. Ooh, it just got a little bit overcast out. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out of the bag is from Gellar, which is cruelty free. So this is the Gellar Inkcredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Deep Purple. So there's that. I will open it up so you can see, but I'm not going to swatch just because I don't anticipate myself wearing purple. It's just not a color I enjoy. But you can see, maybe, it's like an eggplant color, so it's a really dark purple. So this, since I am not going to be using it, will be going into a giveaway. It does seem full size. And then it's also got this little thing right here. I'm not sure if you can see. Like right here, it's like a little grip sort of thing. So that's interesting. I've not seen that on an eyeliner. The Gellar eyeliner is valued at $22, so pretty pricey. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out of here is a liquid lipstick in the shade Pure Hollywood from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. I don't know if I've ever tried a lip product from them, so I'm actually kind of excited about this. They are cruelty free. So it's like a really, it looks kind of brown on camera, but it's like a very pale pink. Or maybe it is brown. I guess it is more of a brown sort of nude, like a tan color. I don't know if I will wear this, but I definitely will give it a try. I'm excited to see the formula on this. I've never tried their lip stuff, so excited to get that. And this is valued at $20. This also appears full-sized. So the next thing I am pulling out is from Brigeo. I want to say that's how you say that. This is the Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. I don't know if I've tried this from them. I have tried some of their other hair stuff from beauty boxes only, just because you get it a lot in these. So, not sure, but let's go ahead and get a consistency on it. Okay, so you can see on my finger, it's very lotiony feeling, which is it smells really nice. I really like the way it smells. It has like a lotiony feel, so it doesn't feel too heavy. It's not like a cream, so that's good. I just might have got lipstick in my hair. Now this obviously is sample size, but the full size of this is valued at $24. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is a brand I've never heard of. Vita Liberata? This is the, oh, interesting. So this is Phenomenal Organic Tan Infused Cloth. So there's two of them in here. And they are like little foil packets, right? But I guess there's a cloth in here to tan yourself. It says lasts up to 10 days. Interesting. And it says on here that 2 of these can cover your entire body. So, a pack of 8 of these cost $25. I'm definitely interested to give this a try if it is cruelty free. Mine's in the shade medium, which I think will be okay for me. Something very different. I've never gotten anything like this in a beauty box, so I'm definitely intrigued by this. Okay, so we have one more thing. This is a Natasha Denona eyeshadow, and they are cruelty free. This is 124K Bronzage. I've heard like amazing things about their eyeshadows. I know their palettes are like $125 or something crazy. So I'm actually really excited to try one because I'm not spending that much on a palette. So there's the color. It's definitely just like a copper sort of color. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. Very, very creamy. Whoa, it's very buttery. It's on my finger, very shimmery. Go ahead and give it a swatch. So yeah, you can definitely see the shine. You can see that it's very pigmented. That was just one swipe and I still have some on my finger. Wow, definitely excited to try that. You can also see the Anastasia lipstick, dried down matte. So let's get a value on this. I don't even know if they make eyeshadow singles. Okay, so this is valued at $27 for one eyeshadow. That is bananas. I hope I hate it because I'm not gonna buy that palette. I'm not buying any palettes that are $125, but I'm not gonna lie, it feels pretty nice. All right, so that's everything I got in this bag. Bag. It's a bag. I'm really super impressed this month. I got 3 makeup items. I got 1 hair care item. I got a brush and then the tan cloth. So I think overall this was a great month for Allure. Allure kills it every month. They just have really great bags for the price. I think they probably had the most value in their boxes versus any other subscription box. But yeah, I'd love to know what you thought. Did we get the same box? Because I think every month there are variations. I'm not seeing any in the little booklet this month. Aside from you could have got a different shade of eyeshadow. So yeah. But yeah, if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.